Money touches almost every part of our lives. What jobs we take, where we live, even how safe we feel about the future. Yet most of us were never really taught how to think about it. That's why The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is such a powerful book. It's not about stock tips or complex strategies. It's about how our behavior and emotions shape our financial outcomes. If you want to master money and finally feel in control of your financial life, check out the free resources I've linked in the bio. They'll help you take the lessons from this book and apply them starting today. The first lesson is that success with money is more about behavior than intelligence. You don't need to be a math genius to build wealth. What you need is patience and discipline. Housel points out that financial decisions are shaped by personal experience. Two people can look at the same market and see completely different risks simply because of how they grew up. Money is never just numbers. It's emotions, history, and perspective. The second lesson is the power of compounding. Compounding is money earning interest on top of interest. At first, it looks slow, but over time, it becomes unstoppable. Warren Buffett is a great example. He's brilliant, yes, but most of his wealth came after age 60 simply because he started early and let compounding snowball. The takeaway: start now, stay consistent, and give your money time. The third lesson is about survival. Compounding only works if you stay in the game. Too many people try risky bets for fast wins and end up losing everything. The key isn't hitting home runs, it's avoiding strikeouts. Steady, consistent progress beats flashy but short-lived success. And if this resonates so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I share book breakdowns like this regularly, and you won't want to miss the next one. Another lesson is about enough. In today's world, the goalpost always moves. More money, more status, more recognition. But if you don't define what enough means for you, you'll never feel satisfied. Chasing endless more often leads to envy and reckless choices. Real wealth is knowing when you have enough and having the freedom to live on your terms. This ties into the difference between being rich and being wealthy. Rich means a high income. Wealth is quieter. It's savings and investments no one sees. It's the car you didn't buy, the luxury you skipped, the money you let grow instead of spend. Wealth isn't about showing off, it's about giving yourself options. And that leads to one of Housel's most powerful points. Freedom is the ultimate dividend of money. Most people don't actually want luxury, they want control over their time. To wake up and choose how to spend the day, who to work with, what to say no to. That kind of autonomy is priceless. Finally, Housel reminds us that money is just a tool. Used well, it creates security, opportunity, and peace of mind. Misused, it fuels stress and endless dissatisfaction. So what's the psychology of money? It's realizing that success isn't about spreadsheets, it's about mindset. If you master patience, consistency, and humility, you won't just build wealth, you'll build a life that feels rich in every way. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and check the link in the bio for free resources to help you put these lessons into action today.